Hi, I'm Andrew Henderson, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into our largest office anywhere in the world. Now, you may know that Nomad Capitalist is a virtual company. The year is 2021, and we're not having people coming in and meeting us in conference rooms and looking at shiny brochures. We do business on the internet, as a lot of companies do these days. We conduct business and we work with people remotely for the most part. But we still have a team of over 30 people all around the world, primarily in 4 different cities, the largest of which is Belgrade, Serbia. And so today I'm going to invite my colleague Jovana, whom you may speak to if you email us with a question or a congratulations, or if you're working with us, you may know Jovana. I'm going to have her take you on a tour of our Belgrade office. We just moved in recently. I'm really excited to show it to you.
Hello, welcome to our Belgrade office. I'm Jovana. I help people to get started with Nomad Capitalist. This is our reception where I work with my colleague. As you can see, this is our small lounge, and we have on this wall bank certificates and our Nomad Capitalist live logo. I believe that you already know that we are hosting a live conference in Mexico in May 2021. So now we can move to our biggest room in the office. This is one of our multiple offices in the world, and we have here a little less than half of our team. And as you can see, we have team members from different departments here, such as our case managers from operations team, and also our strategy associate who is working closely with our strategy manager. Interesting thing here is our fireplace from 19th century, and we kept it as a unique version of heating system in downtown Belgrade. You can see that here everything is modern and super stylish because Mr. Henderson and also our team likes to pay attention to small details. Now I will show you the brightest room in our office. This is the office where our team leaders are working from. You can see Stasha, our marketing manager. She's taking care of our branding and marketing in Nomad Capitalist. Also, Jovana, maybe you know her, she's working closely with me and with our team on onboarding new clients. Jelena, for sure you should know her, she's creating your plans, and she's working closely with Mr. Henderson. And on the end, we have our Director of Operations, Jovana, who is handling the entire case managers team. These are pictures from the cities and countries we are working with. Let's go to visit our case managers. This is the team that helps our clients to execute their plans, and also they are coordinating between our network of specialists and clients. I wish that you can smell this candle. This is amazing scent, tobacco honey, and this room has it as a unique gift from Mr. Henderson. Also, we have here Asian National Geography book. That is souvenir that Mr. Henderson brought from Malaysia a few months ago. Also, our Nomad Capitalist book if our visitors want to read or just to go through it and spot some amazing and interesting topics. Same as in the previous room, we have different pictures here from the countries we are working with, and also where we have our network of expertise. So now we can move to the second part of our office. 2, this is designated area where we conduct calls with our clients. And since our colleagues have a call with client, we will quickly move to our balcony. As you can see, this is the coziest place in our office. We have our daily meetings here, and even if it's cold outside, we have our blankets, and we enjoy sitting here because it's filled with the plants and roses, and even our colleagues that likes to smoke, they can do it here. So now we are going to our kitchen. We get to drink the best coffee in Belgrade from the most famous place here called Cafeteria. They have coffees from all over the world, such as Latino Blend, Nicaragua, India, Colombia, Brazil, Cuba, and others. For those team members who, just like Mr. Henderson, don't drink tea, we have also tea from Kucha Chai. Our favorite flavor is green mint tea. Also, as other places in the office, our kitchen is super modern and it's filled with art. So here we go again, where the magic began. I'm honestly happy to work with Nomad Capitalist and to have such a great team, and here we have so many things that are going on. Recently we had a photo shoot, we have celebrated Mr. Henderson's birthday, and we are definitely drama-free office. I hope you enjoyed our office tour, and we would like to hear your thoughts. Which room did you like the most? Thank you for taking this tour with us.
How can Nomad Capitalist help you? 4 ways. Number 1, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you get our new video every day. Number 2, get a copy of Nomad Capitalist, the book. You'll learn a lot of my personal experiences over a dozen years of studying this stuff, as well as exactly some of the strategies that you can use to build your Nomad Capitalist plan. Number 3, if you're not sure where to start, but you want to come and learn from my team and I, you want to come and mingle with like-minded people, learn more about our live conference, Nomad Capitalist Live. It's coming up soon. And number 4, if you want some help right now because you've got a burning issue, you need something solved, you want to lower your taxes, get a second passport, or build the Nomad Capitalist lifestyle of your dreams, go to nomadcapitalist.com and click on Become a Client.